lack of conservation of rainwater and excessive drilling of bore wells has resulted in severe depletion of groundwater. My name is Tenzin Thakpo and I'm a resident of Doguling. You hardly get 1 hour of water a day. In some camps it's worse. They get hardly 1 hour of water in 2 days or 3 days. Sometimes there's no water. So instead of drilling a new bore well, it's easier to recharge so that you don't have to drill another bore well, which might dry up after a year or two. According to the reports, it says that we get an average of 1066 millimeter of rainfall a year. We need to recharge, or we need to send back the water where it belongs, that is the groundwater. So our project is a very simple one. It's called as Rooftop Bore Well Recharge. So it comprises of basically the catchment, the roof, and we have channelizing the pipes, and then transporting that to the bore well. Even though we have a moderate rainfall, we have directly targeted almost like 15,000 square feet of roof. So if you calculate that square feet into the amount of rainfall which we get in a year, is almost like 4 million gallons, and that is only a year. The long-term solution is to have one bore well, you recharge, you use the maximum of the monsoon and make your place a sustainable place.